Hey, it's Juliet from WTI, and I was looking for a great phone. This phone, the iPhone SE 2020, has worked out really well for me. First of all, it does have a fingerprint scanner, so I just touch my thumb and it unlocks. One thing I was really looking for was a great camera, and I have been able to take some great shots with this, of nature, also of my friends. My friend actually took the pictures that I took. She blew them up and she put them on her wall, and it looks really great. So it does take really nice pictures. It has a lot of different camera options, whether it's slow-mo, panoramic, it's got a lot of things going on for it. Another cool feature with this phone is the ambient noise setting. So you swipe up and you can access it here, and you can have white noise. So right now it is set to ocean. So it's got a lot of different options. And sometimes I actually use this to help me fall asleep. That is a really cool feature because you don't actually have to buy anything in order to get it. So I really like that. All around, it's a nice size. It fits great in my pocket. It's not too big because I don't really like big phones. So for me, it's been amazing. Nice feel, good quality, and that's my point of view.